Now we will learn how to create a sprite. So to create a sprite, we will again click on this kitten like icon and then select the paint option from here. So when we click on the paint option, we get a screen like this. From here, we can add the shape. We can see the outline. We can see the fill color over here. We have the brush icon over here. We have the text icon over here. So there's so many things. There is a line, there is a circle. So using these all things, you can draw or create your own sprite. Suppose I want to draw a flower sprite, so I can just draw a circle over here. I can change the fill color. I can change the color like this. That's great. Now I can paint petals over here like this. You can also fill the petals. You can also change the brush size from here. You can decrease the brush size from here. So if I want to increase the brush size to 30, I can do it. See, it will be more thicker than. It's amazing. We are doing a great job. Now we can fill this with some other color, maybe a red. Also make it whole red, and for the inside I can use yellow. I can decrease the size of the sprite from here. Suppose I want to. This is a sprite that I have added. We are done creating a sprite.